Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2015 Chevrolet Equinox. This vehicle is featured in silver metallic paint with chrome alloy rims, rear privacy tint, power liftgate, cruise control, and backup camera. Now moving on to the interior of the Equinox, we can see our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls, Pioneer speaker and storage. Side of the seat we have our power seat and lumbar support controls. And then our gauge cluster, multi-function steering wheel, fully leather wrapped. Front seats are featured in black leather with red stitching and perforated leather. They're heated seats. Padded center console lid, cup holders, and gear selection stock. We also have a CD player, our climate controls, and radio with backup camera. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our chrome alloy rims, paint match mirror caps and door handles, rear privacy tint. And around to the back of the vehicle, we have our all-wheel drive Equinox and LT badging, as well as a power liftgate. Now moving on to the rear interior, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats, we have mesh magazine holders. And back of the center console area, we have our charging outlet. The rear seats are a 60-40 split with fold-down center seat featuring 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2015 Chevrolet Equinox. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.